Oil green cones of cedar. Properties: oil green cones of cedar demolicni maturity has a therapeutic effect on human cells, particularly liver cells. Its active ingredients promote not only cleansing, but also the formation of new liver cells, thus helping her to recover. Hepatoprotective effect protects liver cells from toxic substances. Restores liver function and reduces the level of bad cholesterol in the blood. Blood purifier, troversial, normalizes heart. Indications: liver disease, cirrhosis, hepatitis, kidney disease and urinary system. Rehabilitation after strokes and heart attacks. Helps with symptoms of nausea, feeling of heaviness, pain in the right hypochondrium, with flatulence. Unhealthy looking skin, yellow or gray, various vsypaya and spot, bitter taste in the mouth, discoloration of urine and feces, bad breath.